What do you want to live that adventure? What do you want to feel alive? What is stopping you from living right now? Take a deep breath and start your journey, because nothing can stop you now. Introducing Avarax-E, the world's first self-cleaning e-bike, lightest, fastest, and yet affordable. Avarax-E has a unique and compact design with an integrated 48-volt IP67 waterproof battery that just takes 90 minutes to get fully charged up, so there is 0 to minimum halting during your ride. With a 500-watt motor, it gives you the power of riding at 28 miles per hour and a range of 65 miles. Daily urban commute or the dream mountain adventure, Avarax-E is the best fit for both the worlds. It's a super hydrophobic bike that repels 90% of the mud, dust, and water. Its 4 unique riding modes take care of your health and get you all the power you need from your bike, making it the most unbeatable bike in the market. Lightweight, but yet so strong because of heat-rated 6061 aluminum frame and carbon fiber monocoque fork. Avarax-E has lockable hydraulic suspension, so just twist and turn your way through. Avarax-E is a Bluetooth-enabled bike, so with just another click on your mobile app, you can track your speed, distance, control the lights, and much more. Also available in 5 different colors.
The bike is so lightweight and comfortable. I'm really impressed by the design. It's so compact, yet versatile for all terrains, whether I'm on mountain roads or in city streets. I use it for my everyday commute too. No matter what my needs are, this bike suits me well, and it'll suit you too.
Prepare yourself for a healthy and green adventure and get yourself your Avarax-E now.